Artificial intelligence provides incredible raw speed, offering a massive engine of productivity right at our fingertips, ready to go. But to start that engine, most of us just throw a quick, vague instruction at it and hope for the best. The software often responds with a dense wall of text that reads like a generic essay instead of a useful draft. This creates an editing trap. You end up spending more time fixing and rewriting that messy response than you would have spent just writing it yourself. We tend to treat the tool like a mind reader, assuming it already knows our style, our audience, and our specific preferences. To stop the endless editing, we have to stop guessing. We can fix this by using a simple 4-part structure for every request. Without a specific framework for your input, the tool stops saving you time and starts becoming a tedious editing chore. Getting exactly what you want on the first try requires providing the software with 4 specific details. The first requirement is the role. This tells the software which perspective or expertise it needs to adopt for this specific job. We start our instruction with, "You are a marketing assistant." Next, we define the task. This is the precise objective you want the software to achieve. We add the job, "Help me write a product description." Pairing a clear role with a specific job gives the AI a focused target, turning a general response into a professional contribution. Even with a role and a task, the software still has to guess what you are selling or how long the text should be. That is why we provide context. This grounds the software in the specific background details of your project. We include the background. This is for a Notion template for task management. Finally, we define the output. This tells the software exactly how you want the finished work to be formatted. We specify the format. Return 3 short versions. When we combine these 4 parts, we create a complete instruction that removes any need for the software to guess. By setting these boundaries and formatting rules, you ensure the software delivers a draft that is actually ready to use. Now, let's take that 4-part instruction and paste it into the chat window. Instead of a generic wall of text, we receive exactly what we requested: 3 distinct, concise options that are ready for review. Contrast this with our original vague attempt. On one side is a dense block of text. On the other are 3 short, easy-to-read versions. Because you asked for multiple versions in the output stage, your workflow shifts from manual rewriting to simply making a choice. Before you open any AI tool, remember these 4 required steps: role, task, context, and output. Spending a minute to structure your instructions up front is the most effective way to reduce your total editing time on the back end.